How to factory reset your Nest thermostat when moving house. Deciding what to take. When moving from a smart home, decisions must be made about what to take and what to leave. While portable items like smart plugs are simple, built-in features like thermostats can be trickier to handle. Replacing or leaving your Nest thermostat. A Nest thermostat often replaces an old one, which may be discarded. When leaving, you could reinstall the old unit if kept or leave the Nest in place, potentially adding value for the next homeowner. Logging out for the new owner. If leaving the Nest behind, you must log out so the new owner can use their credentials. This ensures you no longer have access or control over the thermostat once the property changes hands. Recording system settings. Before resetting, note the current settings. On the thermostat, go to Settings, then Equipment, and record system wires, heating type, and safety temperature. This helps the new owner quickly understand and use the device. Removing and resetting the thermostat. To remove from your account, open the Nest app. Choose the home with the device, select it, and tap Remove Thermostat. Then, on the device, choose Settings, Reset, All Settings to erase personal data for the next owner.
Go to GearBrain for more information.